Hi guys! Today we compare Google Pixel 10 Pro XL versus Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Camera. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL come with triple camera setup. First, 50 megapixel wide, second, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto and 8K 30 FPS video recording. And the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with triple camera setup. First, 50 megapixel wide, second, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and 8K 30 FPS video recording too. The selfie camera, both mobile, come with 42 megapixel camera and 4K 60 FPS video recording. Platform. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL come with 3.1 GHz Cortex-X4, and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with 3.78 GHz Cortex-X4. 9 Pro XL come with Tensor G4, 4 nanometers, and 10 Pro XL come with Tensor G5, 3 nanometers. 9 Pro XL come with Mali G715, and 10 Pro XL come with PowerVR DXT. Both mobile come with 16 gigabytes of RAM, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte, and not support SD card. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL come with 50-50 mAh battery and 37-watt wire and 23-watt wireless charging support. Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with 5200 mAh battery and 45-watt wire and 25-watt wireless charging support. Both mobile come with LTPO OLED display with 6.8-inch screen and 2K screen resolution and 486 ppi density. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with 120 Hz refresh rate and 88% screen-to-body ratio, and it's come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and Google Pixel 10 Pro XL come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, NFC, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68 dust tight, and water resistant. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL got 16 points, and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL got 22 points.